Hello. We are going to practice our Part 1 phonics drill. Today we are going to work on our A sounds. Are you ready? Let's go inside my classroom. A, ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ra, za, ta, va, wa, za, ya, za. Now let's try to combine what we just learned and make up some combination that makes sense. Are you ready? Ga. Ga. This is how they write Gaga as in Lady Gaga, but because Lady Gaga is a proper noun we have to capitalize the letter in the beginning. Now it's your turn to read. Go ahead, I'm listening. Now, let's see what we have here. Ma. Ma. You probably don't call your mom mama. But people that makes fat mama jokes will write it this way. Go ahead, read it. I'm listening. Wonderful. How about this one? Na. Na. Some children call their grandmother Nana. Go ahead and read it. I'm listening. How about adding ba in the beginning of Nana? Ba. Na. Na. Banana. Good job. What do we have here? Pa. Pa. Go ahead. Read it on your own. I'm listening. Good job. But don't forget sometimes you might see this written with capital P in the beginning if it's used as proper noun like Papa John's Pizza. Now we are going to read a tropical fruit. Pa. Pa.
Yeah.
Now you read it. I am so proud of you. Because you did a good job. This teddy bear is for you. Next class, we are going to work on adding consonants at the end of what we just learned. You have to watch the part 2 of this lesson next. See you later.